Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the G20 Msport 320D saloon here at Your Next Car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle whilst I talk through some of the features and options. Then I'll make my way around, I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will go through some of the interior features. The vehicle itself is presented in the very nice Alpine white. And of course we finished the exterior off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. You'll see at the front of the vehicle is a 2019 69 reg, comes equipped with the latest BMW LED headlights. We have the £1,700 optional extra 19-inch individual alloy wheels, which come finished in a very nice matte finish inserts, and they come wrapped in the Bridgestone run flat tyres all the way around. Down the side of the vehicle you'll take note of the satin Mperformance side vinyls and decals. And we'll go ahead and take a quick glance at the interior before carrying on inside the car and for the rest of the walk around. Interior is the lovely black Venezia leather, which comes equipped in the front with the heated seat function along with the electric lumbar. Power folding mirrors, all of which we'll take a quick demonstration of very shortly. Privacy glass on the rear windows. And again a few new features in the rear. One of those being included is the new design for the rear passenger heater control. Is now a digital climate. We've got a centre folding armrest along with a ISOFIX rear bench and a lovely black headlining, thanks to the vehicle being an M Sport model. Onto the very rear of the car, where we find these stunning new LED lights, high gloss black rear boot spoiler and double exit exhaust and diffuser to match. Rear facing reversing camera. The rear boot has been improved quite slightly from the previous 3 Series shape, and you now get split folding seats as standard, which I'll demonstrate for you in just a second. And we'll simply just drop that forward for you to take a look at. And of course both seats do fold down, just giving you that little bit more room, which is always useful on any saloon vehicle. So we'll take one last look at the rest of the interior before I head on round for a proper walk through of the interior spec and features. There you can see we've also got the lovely ambient lighting, which is another new feature on the new 3 Series. That is all interchangeable, so you can change it to a colour of your choice to suit your needs and mood. Okay, so we'll head on round now. So now we're sat inside the vehicle. First thing we will be able to see is this lovely rear facing reversing camera, which is displayed on the professional wide navigation and media screen. This is all now touchscreen, and as you can see you can flick seamlessly through all of the different pages, and these are all customizable widgets, so you can add different feeds, i.e. different local traffic situations. You can also add different news and weather apps, as you can see here. Media wise, you get an absolutely wide array of different multimedia inputs, including DAB, as you can see at the top. We've also got the Spotify ability, Bluetooth audio and screen mirroring. Heading back to the main menu, we'll take a look at the communication screen. And as you can see, not only have you got all those other multimedia inputs, you can also have Apple CarPlay, as well as normal Bluetooth telephone and audio, of course. Having this touchscreen ability, it makes using the sat-nav even easier than the previous years, thanks to the fact that we can simply zoom in and out like so, and touch to where we would like to set the destination. This vehicle has only covered just over 4,000 miles, so an extremely low mileage example. And of course that does mean the vehicle itself is not due a service for 10,000 miles and has just got the one record of being at BMW for its pre-delivery inspection service. Heated seats, as I've already mentioned, and we've got this lovely new style M Sport multifunction steering wheel, and of course not forgetting the 8-speed sports gearbox with the flappy pedals. Another new feature is the BMW Live Cockpit, and this is once again all interchangeable, so you can change the centre display. However, the general most common one is to have the map display, as well as having your speedo and your revs up at either side. So that will finish off our walk around for the absolutely stunning G20 320D M Sport. As always, down below in the description will be a link to our website where you can of course check out all of the information regarding prices and finance for this vehicle. We do hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for checking the video out, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.